Maybe I pick some up. Well, actually, I do have 5 blocks. I'm fine. But it would be good to have more. If it's what I got for now, then that's what I got. Now that we're back here and it's raining, I'm going to make the seed first. If I want to make the seed for this, I end up needing to make the fire or whatever, yo. I need clay balls and gravel. Clay balls and gravel. Pick some up, right? 3 gravel. Of course it wasn't 4 gravel. Like right before the amount I needed. Not that it matters, like right here. Okay, so what were they looking for? Lava, fire essence, seeds, fire whatevers. Put all of these, put all of those. I only have 1 dirt. Okay, as I was saying. Fire whatever, fire seeds, fire whatevers. There you go. All of these, all of those, all of those. Bam 1. Then another lava bucket, bam 2. Then another bucket, bam 3. And 1 more water bucket, bam 4. Hey, Evan Rossman. Welcome to the stream. That's not the fire thing. Now that I have all of these, it should have been a base 1 seed, right? You know, the thing is that I don't remember what I needed it for. Which is not a... How do I not remember what I needed this for? Either way, if I'm right that it's basic, it is basic. Say hello to the fire seed. Awesome. Now, really though, what did I need this for? I don't remember. I assume when I start watering it and I get a fire essence, I might figure out what it was for. Which if it never grows, I'm not gonna... Fire essence. What did I need this for? Is it for sand? Was I too lazy to get sand? Was that my thought process a second ago? That was probably my thought process a second ago. Well, I have the seed now. It'll come in handy either way. 1 bucket, 2 bucket, 3 buckets. So I now have 3 buckets of crowsite oil. So if I take normal logs, I think, yeah, and I surround it with this treated wood. I'll get a couple more just because the oil. Why did I make a chest? Damn. I did not mean to make a chest. Okay, there we go. Another treated thing. The engineer's crafting table is a simple upgrade to the normal crafting table. In addition to the polished treated wood surface, it keeps the ingredients inside the crafting grid when the interface is closed. It also features a small drawer to store some of your crafting components. Awesome. So let's go ahead and make that crafting table with treated wood slabs, right? And treated sticks, which I assume are just that. This with that, and then this. Bam, engineering, whatever. Engineer's crafting table. Can place it right next to this. That is pretty useful. I like the little table here. Now, what's the next step after this? Workbench and blueprints? The engineer's workbench is a professional work table for an educated engineer. It is widely used to construct the items described in engineer's blueprints. A wide variety of blueprints can be crafted, as detailed in the respective manual entry, whereas a few select ones can only be discovered in the world, or purchased from villagers. To use a blueprint in the workbench, put it in the slot on the left of the GUI, and the necessary ingredients into 6 slots in the middle. The resulting item can then be retrieved from the right side. Hovering your mouse over these output slots will inform you exactly which materials are needed for each item. A secondary function of the workbench is the modification and configuration of more complex tools and gadgets. The mining drill, heavy-plated shield, or revolver, are examples of such items. When placed in the main slots of the workbench, it becomes that of modifying the tools by inserting whatever. Okay, so it's pretty simple either way. Just iron ingot, treated wood, a fence, and the crafting table that I just placed down. In that case, I think I'm just going to have barely enough to make this. The rain is lagging my game a little bit, but it's fine. Engineer's workbench. I will place it somewhere. I don't know where to place this. Right here for some reason. Perfect. Can I make it go away? The rain is whatever. For example, with this, I do need an engineer's blueprint. In order to make an engineer's blueprint, I need copper, aluminum, that's new, iron. What's aluminum from? I'm gonna assume I have aluminum. Please tell me I do. I have 5 aluminum. It's not even the right type of aluminum, but it is aluminum. What if I just smelt this? I'll find out one way or another if it's the right one. Why did I pick up so much andesite? This looks like the right aluminum. So if I wanted to make that blueprint, crafting components, and paper like that, why do I have andesite dust? I don't even know. I need copper. So, do I have any copper? Crazy question right now. Yes, I do. And then I'm going to use some lapis to just make it into blue dye, because that's the easiest way to do that. Crafting component, craft the component, crafting component, created component. Perfect. Now with the garden clock, if I want to make this specific thing, I need 3 paper, a glass, and a copper. Do I happen to have more sand? Yes, I do. And I needed paper. I wonder why it uses paper, of all things. And then pick up the copper. Bam, bam, and bam. Say hello to the light bulb. That's one of the crafting thingies needed. Man, can I lower the weather? The weather is just what is killing me. Weather fast, please. Maybe that'll help a little bit. Though I might not, considering it's shaders. I can make it daytime. Maybe daytime will just skip it. It did not skip it. Oh, wait. Finally, thank you. That's so much better. What was I on? Yeah, okay. So iron mechanical part. This is the next part I can make. I need copper around iron plates. Iron plates is interesting. If I want to make an iron plate, never mind, just the immersive. Okay, that's actually really easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. And if I grab another, I should just keep the copper on me. I can make it as so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Iron mechanical component. Now the last thing I need is 2 treated logs, which I already have, and surrounded by glass. 1, 2, 1, 1. That way it goes faster. Put away the flint. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. Bam. And now with everything, if I want to make the garden cloth, look, do I have no idea how to say this? I have this now. Now the question is, though, how am I going to power this thing? You know, that's a fair question. Put all my time into this. How am I going to craft this? Alloy kiln is interesting. Power. Can I, like, I don't know which side of you is energy, but okay, say I play some, how do I use you? Okay, I need to put dirt and something. So say I have, you're almost dead, but you're not dead. Make farmland. Make a Infernium farmland. And then I'll place one of yous in here. Now it just kind of stands there. It has no IF. It's not the same as this, right? It is generating power, but it's obviously not using it, right? I don't think it worked like that. Okay, that worked. I just moved it over. Okay, well, we have power. Now I don't know how to use you still. Yeah, let me just look this thing up. Garden claw. The garden claw, whatever, or bell jar, let's call it a bell jar from now on, because I know how to pronounce bell jar, is a device designed to hasten the growth of plants. It allows even the agriculturally challenged engineer to grow plants and harvest their yield. The device accepts power, fluid, and items through its respective ports. Water and power are always required. Water and power, both also water? And you may add fertilizer to the slot on the left to increase growth speed. Soil and seeds are placed in the middle, and each seed requires the correct soil to grow on, with dirt being automatically tilled into farmland. If I'm not mistaken, though, this should be the right thing, right? Any farmland Infernium. Yeah, that's fine. So what I'm missing is water? How do I put water into this thing? Okay, that's obviously not it. My crops! My singular wheat seed! And then like random piles of gelino dust, what? I need a way to power this. Or like, water this. Not even power this, what am I talking about? That's so weird, I did not expect this thing to need water. It's like it's a simple machine, huh? Fluid transport. Fluid pipe. Fluid router. There like happen to be a sink. Does this mod pack have a sink? There is a sink. Chris is a sink. Do I have a sink already? I do. Hey, buddy. Oh, good old sink. If only it was that easy. If only it was that easy. Okay, whatever. I need to figure out how to put the water into this. So there's those fluid pipes. I might use those. Tons of iron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And where's my hammer? There's my hammer. Got you. And if I did this, those are fluid pipes. Yep. If I take one out from here, take it out from there, take it out from here. Nope. This definitely looks like an entryway from this, though. But it's not doing things. I love immersive engineering. Ooh, okay, I have no idea how to do this, to be honest. How do I? I'm at a loss when it comes to how to take the water out of this. Let me see. Power wires, tool generations. Nothing about water. Simple machinery. That's an item router. Fluid transport. Transporting fluids have become quite essential in the engineering business. Fluid pipes and fluid pumps do exactly that. On their own, fluid pipes are quite slow at transferring fluids, but if a pump is used to insert the fluid, it'll move much faster. You can right-click a connecting piece of a pipe with an... Okay. Fluid pipe can be covered with wooden or steel scaffolding. Break the pipe to retrieve the scaffolding. Right-click on the pipe with a new dye will color it. And if I want a pump, they can be used to insert in the pipe to transfer fluids much easier. They can pick up fluids from the world. The fluid pump means I need one of these, which is super easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This mechanical piece is made like this. And then with all that, a fluid pump under pressure. Oh, that's not. Grow a curtis for what? Why this? What? I don't know how this works. Let me look at this fluid pump. Water's infinite, right? Oh, damn. I almost broke all that. That was close enough. I don't know how to tell if it has any water in it at all. Oh, does it need power? It probably needs power, huh? I don't happen to have a second windmill, do I? If only I had a second windmill. I might need to figure out how to transfer power, but for the meantime, I isn't gonna power the thing, is it? What are my attempts? I don't even know. I'm just trying to figure out how to connect this thing. How do you use a fluid pipe? In order for the pump to pick up fluid blocks, it will need a power input at the top and a redstone signal. Pumps can also be used to extract from tanks. Let me just figure out how to get a wire, basic wiring, copper wire.